Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Kurt with Rock.Hounding.Adventures. Today we are going to do a unboxing video that's a little bit different. I received this metal detector in the mail about a month ago, and I've just been so busy I have not been able to do it, so I've just kept it in the box, kept it intact. So today we're going to check it out. So we are looking at the Ommo MD-7011 in the orange color. It does come in other colors, as you can see on the box. This does retail for $75.99 as the normal price, I believe. As far as today goes, it's 22% off for $59.49. So if you're interested in this, make sure to click the affiliate link located in the video description and take advantage while it is on sale. I do want to cover that this does have a USB rechargeable lithium battery, 1800 mAh. On a full charge, you can get about 15 hours of playtime, so take this to your local parks, beaches, but make sure you are following those metal detection rules and regulations for your area. This does have a 6-mode detection for all the different various metals, jewelry, and then when you're searching for gold, it can help filter out all the trash signals. While when you are using this, it can detect coins up to 8 inches deep, and then larger items about 12 inches deep. And then the coil is a IP68 waterproof coil. So let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. Okay, looks like you got some headphones. You have a USB. Looks like a charger. And then the instruction manual. You have like the arm rest. I don't really know the proper names because I'm just getting into metal detecting. There's a couple places I want to go check out using a metal detector. A couple years ago we went out to this one area and found some raw silver. Here is the LCD screen. I do know this is backlit, and yeah, I'm excited to see what this is all about. I'm gonna pull everything out first. The screws and knobs and stuff from this one are at least plastic, they're not metal, which I would prefer being metal because it would be stronger. Okay, let's move this box out of the way. So I'd say it's decently packaged. The handle, all of the pieces feel like they're plastic, except for the stem. The stem feels like aluminum, and then the outside pieces, like this is plastic. The clips are also plastic, held by a metal bolt there. And so I'm kind of curious how this will be. Let's open up the headphones. Here's the coil. The coil is waterproof, so you're able to use this in the water. And it seems to be all plastic. For the and then you have the wire, and this will attach to the LCD screen. And just a better look of the LCD screen. Gold range, silver range signals. So we're gonna go ahead and put this together. Okay, so I have it all assembled. It took approximately about 5, maybe 6 minutes to set it all up. Very simple, very easy. Right now I have it set up for like a kid size, but this is great for adults and children to use on the beach, parks, wherever you go on your adventures. Pretty simple setup. I am worried about these clips right here. Over time, hopefully they don't break, but it is good that it has that little metal pin in there. So hopefully it holds up. And I will be doing a review on this soon. Right now, because it's just fresh out of the box, I need to charge it, and then we'll give it a try. But I wanted to go ahead and get this video out there since it's already been a little bit over a month. And yeah, so I'm excited to use this. You guys will see this in future videos. Hopefully we can do a video around my birthday hunting silver with this, or rough silver. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are interested in this product, I will have the Amazon link in the video description. It's currently $75.99, but it's on sale 22% off for $59.49. I'm not sure how long that sale will last, so make sure to go over and pick one up if you guys are interested or have a kid that's interested in digging up history, metal detecting, or even just gold panning and everything that you can use one of these things for. So I hope you guys have a fantastic week. Rock on, find some cool rocks, or metal detect to find some cool rocks, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.